Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is YASMIN binti BAZLI from KIM 110 my material number is 2019637794.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IZZATI binti FAUZI from KIM 110G. My metric number is 2019266378.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farizah binti ABDUL from class KIM 110G. My metric number is 2019205364.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is FARAH. So I'm gonna talk about part A, which is preparation of installation. So the first step is you have to go to Google and then search for Windows 10 download ISO. Then click the first one. Once you're already in their website, you have to scroll it down until you found download tools now. Then you have to download it. Wait until it already done to be downloaded. Once it's done, you have to run it as administrator. Then you have to install it and wait for a second. Then you have to choose accept and wait for a few minutes. Next, you have to choose create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or iOS file for another PC. Then click next. Click next. Choose iOS file. Click next. Wait again for a few minutes to download the Windows 10. This may take a longer time, so you have to be patient if you have a slow internet connection. Alright, now is creating Windows 10 media, so you have to wait for a few minutes more. Then you have to press finish. So that's all for me, and I will pass the presentation to Farizah. And FAIRUZ will explain about part B, which is installation of virtual machine.
Assalamualaikum. My name is IZZATI. In this part, I will explain in short tutorials on how to download virtual machines, virtual box. First, we need to go to Google and then search the virtual box download. And then choose the first option, which is downloads Oracle VM Virtual Box. As we can see, there are many types of VirtualBox platform package. For example, Windows Host for laptop that use Windows, and OS X Host for people who use MacBooks. As for me, I will choose Windows Host because my laptop use Windows operating system. We click on that and we can see automatically VirtualBox will be downloaded, and we just wait until it finish. After it done, we click on the file that we download. Minimize the page first, and we can set up wizards to install Oracle VM VirtualBox. We just click next, and then click next again. Click next again, and we click yes to proceed with the installation. After that, click install to install the virtual VM. And then we just wait until the setup wizards install Oracle VM VirtualBox. After it finished the installation, we click finish and then we open the Oracle VM VirtualBox. This is what the VirtualBox looks like after the installations. We can now use VirtualBox to install operating system. Now I will pass to Lily. She will show you on how to install operating system by using Oracle VM VirtualBox. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lily. So I'm going to present the part C, which is the installation of operating system. Firstly, open the VirtualBox. Click Add New. Add the name. Type Windows 10. The machine folder, the type of Microsoft Windows and the version is Windows 10 64-bit and click Next. This is the memory size, which is 248 MB, click Next. The hard disk, create a virtual hard disk now, 3. The hard disk file type, click the VDI, which is VirtualBox with image, click Next. The storage on physical hard disk dynamically indicated. Click Next. Firstly, this is the file location and size. 3. It will be pop up like this. Click Setting. Click Storage. Add the empty. Click Remove. Then add the control SATA. Click the +1 and add. Add the window ISO, choose. So the display will be like this and click OK. So after that, click Start. Wait for a moment. Then choose the language, time and keyboard. Click Next. Click Install now. The setup is starting, so we have to wait for the loading. If you have the product key, you enter here, but if you don't have, you either have a product key, then click Next. Click Next. This is the Microsoft software license term. We have to read all of this, and after that, click I accept the license term. Click Next. Click Custom, Install Windows, and click Next. We have to wait for the installing Windows. The loading is gonna take a long time. between 5 minutes to 15 minutes, so we have to wait for it. So the window needs to restart to continue. We have to wait. So the installation of operating system have done. I will continue for the last step, part D, which is setting up your operating system. I will show you how to put the icon at this desktop. First, right click and click personalize, and then click themes. Scroll down here and click desktop icon setting. Click computer, user file as a document, network, recycle bin, and container, and then click OK. So this is the icon to put at the desktop. So second, I will change my wallpaper into the logo of UiTM. If you can see, I have already changed to the UiTM logo, but I will show you how to change. First, right click and click the personalize. Click theme and scroll down. Here, you can choose any type of wallpaper you want, and then click. And then the third step, I will show you how to install device driver. First, click search and search device manager, and then click here. Right click and update driver. Click browse my computer for driver. Click next and close. Next, perform this partition. Go to this PC and right click. Click manage. It will pop up the computer management under the storage, which is this management. Right click in unallocated. Click new simple volume. Click next. Click next. You may choose any kind of alphabet you want, so I will choose L. Click next. This file system is NTFS. The volume level you may change, and I will put the data. Click next. So here we go. Click finish. There you see. Next, I will show you how to set up virtual memory. Go to this PC, right click and click properties. For that, click advanced system setting. Click setting. Click advanced. Click change. Unclick the automatically managed paging file size for all drivers. Click the custom size and put the size for initial size and maximum size. Okay. Click OK and you may either to restart now or restart later. And then how to create a user account. First, go to this page and search user account. Click add, edit or remove other users. Click add someone else to this PC. And then type username. Enter the password. Re-enter the password. And then answer the 3 questions. Security question 1, choose. Security question 2, choose. And security question 3, choose. Click next. This is the username of
how to create a group account. First, search for the computer management and open. Click the local user and group. Click group. Click new group and type the group name, such as test group. Type the description, such as for education. And then click add as a guest. Click OK, then click create. Click done. And then click group, and it will show the group account there.
how to share a folder. First, I create a new folder. Click new. Click folder. So I will click give access to specific people. Click here and click username and then share. Done. Okay. How to run the taskbar. Click on the taskbar and right click. Click the task manager. More detail. And then lastly, how to run device manager. Go to this PC, right click, click properties, click device manager, and you can run this device manager.